Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. It is Monday on the 22nd of September. I would like to discuss the US dollar Japanese yen, as this currency pair in my opinion is forming a bullish triangle on the 1 hour chart, on the lower time frames. This is the bullish triangle, and I would say it started from this moment of time and goes with A, B, C, D, E, and probably it is already ending or ended here. Now, like any contracting triangle, it travels within the A and C and B and D trend lines, and we need to define those trend lines, and this being wave A to the downside, then of course the B wave to the upside, A and B all the way here, then the C wave, then the D wave, so A, B, C, D here, and of course the E wave to the downside, and E wave to the downside here. Now, like mentioned earlier, any triangle travels within the A and C and B and D trend lines, and this one should be no different. So the A and C should be this one here, the B and D should be this one here, like this, from here to here, and triangle it is being broken, retested, then what to look for next but higher values to come. Probably I would say for the rest of the day with a bullish continuation, or even for the rest of the week. I will not choose end of day expiration here, but I would choose end of week expiration. For the thrust of the triangle, that means 75% of the longest wave of the triangle. That means that the market should go something like this, from here to here, projected by the moment the triangle is being broken. So minimum, I would say, a revisiting of 109.30 area should be in cards. Anyways, a bullish triangle is a bullish triangle, and it can be either a fourth wave or it can be part of a complex correction and price to explode higher from this moment of time. Looking back in time, I would say it is still a continuation pattern as a fourth wave, and we should need a fifth wave or even more. So let's write on the screen here that the plan for the US dollar and Japanese yen is still to move to the upside, despite bearish rhetoric from G20 meeting this weekend. So buying call options with end of week expiration date, as we need to give it time to consolidate and so on and so forth, and to avoid, for example, the possibility that this triangle to be still in the making. So for example, the triangle to start from here, A, B, C, D, then an E wave, and then to break higher until the rest of the week, until the end of the week. We should have this triangle already resuming, already ending, and the previous trend to resume, and of course in this case it means to resume higher. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. We're looking at a bullish triangle as a continuation pattern for the US dollar and the Japanese yen, and I would say we are living in interesting times, in the sense that this week should be quite aggressive for the US dollar. The US dollar is rallying all over the board, and the Japanese yen should make no exception. Again, thank you for being here. Make sure you check fairbinaryoptions.com. Make sure you check our Binary Options Academy, where we have a lot of projects involving technical analysis and also fundamental analysis. And of course, make sure you follow us on the YouTube channel, as each and every day we have an analysis posted there. Thank you, and bye bye.